friends, and happy Monday. Welcome to Craft with Us. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Brittany and I'm the head of children's here at the Winchester Public Library, but most everybody just calls me Miss B. Not because we're formal in any way, just because it's easier to say. All right, let's see what we have in our craft bag today, shall we? All right. So thank you to everyone who picked up our craft packet this morning. Right here, we are making our handprint bouquets. And if you didn't grab our craft bag, no big deal. They go out every Monday at 9 a.m. and they're first come, first served, and they're usually on a big blue cart right outside the pickup doors. All right. So if you didn't, all you need is some different color paper. If you didn't grab our craft pack, that's okay. Easy today. All you need is some different color paper, and if you did, let's go through what you got. Okay, so you've got your instructions, and you've got some handy dandy glue. You should have a white piece, and then a bunch of different colors, okay? Everybody should have some that are different, but these are my colors right here, okay? There you go. All right, so as we go through, I'll tell you what to do. But again, if you didn't grab our craft bag, any kind of computer paper, construction paper, even newspaper and paint, that'll work fine. Plain old white paper and some crayons. Well, we'll work fine with this one too. So let's get started. All right, so first we take a couple of our colors right here and we're gonna trace our hands, okay? Now, if you're working with your grown-up, my friends, excuse me, Miss B has a frog in her throat. You can do it yourself or your grown-up can help you. It is absolutely your choice, but pick up your pencil and your scissors. Those are the things you're gonna need from home. And use your hand you're most comfortable tracing with. For me, it's my right, but it might be your left. And take your other hand and put it down on your paper. You do you, whatever you want. I wouldn't put it right in the middle because you'll get more handprints if you start at the side. See if I do this, and then I can come and I can do another handprint all the way over here. All right, so trace your hand. And again, how wide you spread your fingers out will determine how big your flower petals are. So it's up to you how you want your flower to look. Okay, so there we go. See, I traced my hand right there. And now I'm going to get my scissors, and you can choose. You can trace your hand on every one of your colors and work on your cutting and cut out each one individually, or you can stack them on top of each other and fold it over. And then you can make all of your flowers at once. Totally up to you, your choice. Whatever you want to do. I'm going to fold so that you can see what everything looks like. Okay? So we cut. And again, this is great practice, my young friends. So if you have your grown-up with you, it's always good to have your grown-up around when we're using our scissors. But it's always good to practice our skills. Scissors help us with our motor coordination. So use those scissors. All right. And it's okay if you need to stop, if you need to turn your paper around. Cutting out your fingers is hard. They're long, they're pointy. So this might take a few minutes, and that's okay. We have all the time in the world. And if I go faster than you, I'll try to keep it really slow. But you can always hit pause and finish up, and then catch back up. But I'll try to go nice and slow. All right. Almost done. 1.5 fingers left to trim. That one's tricky right there. I'm gonna have to go back. See, I'm gonna have to go back and trim it. All right. And now I've got a little V here, so I'm just gonna trim and round it off at the bottom there. Just like that. And look at all my handprints. Look at that. All right, let me get rid of my scraps. Where's my recycle bin? There it is. Okay, so handy to have that right there. Okay, so now you want to take your green paper and you want to cut some stems for your flowers, okay? All right, so here's what they look like, just like that. All right, it's totally up to you. You can use the short edge or the long edge of your paper. Just cut them about a finger width, but again, if you've ever seen flower stems, there's no two that look the same. And you can cut as many or as few as you want. You can have as many or as few flowers on your page as you want. All right. After you've cut your stems, we take our glue and we put our stems on the white paper. We'll start with a few and add some more. It's totally up to you. I think I'm gonna do 3 because I have 3 colors. So I'm gonna do 1 of each color. That's what I'm gonna do. So there's my 3 stems. I'm gonna glue them down. And again, you can have them go straight up and down like that, or you can put them kind of in a bouquet like that. Totally your choice. You do you and make your craft the way you want it. Oh, my glue is stuck to my glue. Oh my goodness, friends. There it is. Whew. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna put some glue on the back of my stem, and you wanna glue the whole length of your stem onto your paper, okay? I'm gonna glue some of them at a diagonal so they look like I'm holding a bouquet. All right, there we go. Straight up the middle. There's my 3rd one, and my 3rd one right here. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I've got 3 stems right there. Now you pick your flowers. There they are right there. And you can have your flowers hang over the edge, or you can put them all nice and neatly together so they're all staying on the same page. Totally up to you. Your choice. All right, so I'm gonna put the glue right on my stem because I want my flowers to hang off just a little bit. Okay, I'll put the yellow one in the middle. Then I'm gonna do my pink one. I think I want this to go in like this. And then in like this. Okay. Look at that! A flower bouquet out of paper and your own handprint. Pretty cool, huh? All right. Thank you so much for joining us today, my friends. All right, and thank you to those of you who came out and waved to us during our summer reading kickoff car caravan that went around town at noon today. And if you missed it, don't worry, we took video. So we will be posting it on our website very shortly. And if you're interested in summer reading, you can visit us at winpublib.org/summer and sign up for our summer reading program because we have one for everybody. All right, my friends, thank you so much for joining me today on Craft with Us, and thank you for making beautiful flowers. Can't wait to see you back next week. Who knows what we'll do? All right then, until I see you again, be safe, be kind, wash your hands, and wear your mask. I'll see everyone next week. Bye-bye.